Welcome to Learn English Through Stories. Today we have a special story called The Dream Clockmaker. It is a magical and inspiring story about hope, love, and the power of dreams. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and improve your English at the same time. The Dream Clockmaker. In a small village hidden between the mountains, there was an old clockmaker named Elias. His workshop was tiny, full of gears, pendulums, and clocks of all kinds. But what nobody knew was that he didn't only fix clocks, he also repaired people's broken dreams. Every night, when the village was asleep, Elias lit a blue lamp in his workshop. That light was the signal for lost dreams to find him. They arrived like golden butterflies, each one carrying a forgotten memory, an unfulfilled wish, or a fear someone could not overcome. Elias took his tools and, with patience, opened the small glass spheres where the dreams lived. Some were cracked by sadness, some had stopped because of fear, and others had simply forgotten how to fly. One day, a girl named Alma came to the workshop. She wasn't asleep like the others, she came awake. In her hands, she carried a broken hourglass. "This belonged to my mother," she said softly. "It stopped the night she left. Can you fix it?" Elias looked at the hourglass. The sand would not fall because there was an empty space in the middle, as if time itself had stopped. "To repair it, I need something only you can give me," the clockmaker explained. "A memory of your mother that still makes you smile." Alma closed her eyes and remembered the afternoons when her mother sang to her under the orange sky. A soft melody, like a lullaby. With that memory, the empty space inside the hourglass filled with shining golden sand. The hourglass began to work again. But something unexpected happened. When the hourglass was fixed, a part of her mother's soul appeared as a warm light, hugging the girl. Elias smiled. Clocks don't only measure time. They also keep the love inside it. From that day, Alma helped the clockmaker in his workshop. She learned that everyone had dreams that needed repair. A young man who had lost faith in himself, an old woman who had forgotten how to laugh, a traveler who was afraid to return home. Together they repaired each dream, and little by little the village began to change. People woke up with hope, with courage, with new reasons to live. Elias, already very old, knew his own time was ending. One night he gave Alma a small golden key. "Now the workshop is yours," he said. "Remember, clocks mark the hours, but dreams mark the destiny. Never let them stop." Alma accepted the key with tears in her eyes. From then on, the blue lamp kept shining every night in the workshop, guiding the dreams that needed repair. And it is said that if you ever feel your dream is broken, you just need to look at a star and close your eyes. Then, the golden butterfly will come for you and take you to the Dream Clockmaker. Thank you for listening to the Dream Clockmaker. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words and expressions. Remember, clocks measure hours, but dreams can guide your life. See you in the next episode of Learn English Through Stories.